Alright, we got the first snow practically of the year. Land Cruiser's in the snow. We got a couple inches to screw around in. So this is going to be the first off-road test of the four-wheel drive and all that. The issue is I have no heater. None at all. Let's start her up. Alright. So I noticed that my thing says 245C. I don't know why it says that. It's allowing me to shift in neutral and drive. So I assume it's still working. I gotta clean off the windshield.
We're rolling.
Let's go for a little drive. Surprised I have as much traction as I do. Wonder if my rear window defroster works. So that's that vibration. It sounds like a RC truck. Things are shifting around, so I need to brace them more and so they won't shift so much.
Oh.
But it's smooth otherwise.
Yeah.
It's got like tons of grip. These tires are totally bald, but
I was gonna say it's like almost driving the LX.
Yeah, almost.
Almost. I mean, it's not. It doesn't have the luxury of the Lexus, but that's fine.
That's the regenerative brake. I'm not even using the brake pedal. frozen. I'm not sure what that means. How cold was it last night? Like 4 degrees maybe?
Something like that.
Fahrenheit?
Yeah. It's like 11 or 12 right now. Oh, Jimmy! No! Jimmy, get out!
I'm just saying if I can.
Yeah, but drive on the not school field.
I'm getting in trouble with the wife.
Yes!
If we're going through the deep snow, no problem.
Yeah.
We should head back.
I think that's a good idea.
It's prudent. Let's see. If we got a double low range. Oh yeah, we got like super torque now. Oh, but the vibration's worse.
Oh.
It popped out. It's been popping out of drive. We almost did a donut. Let's drive through the deep snow. It's pretty. It finally snowed. Took until the first of the year.
2022.
2022. Everybody else is living in 2021. I'm living in 2022 with my electric Land Cruiser.
2022 electric boogaloo.
Pull away. If those people weren't sledding, I was going to go try to drive up that hill. The vibration's getting bad now. Well, you can call it quits. Just going, man, through everything, no problem.
Children in the street.
Down the neighbor children. Alright, we made it home. Alright, Happy New Year from Unique Mobility. Thanks for watching. So as you can see, the electric Land Cruiser runs and drives, but you're going to have to subscribe and watch all my videos to see how I actually did it. So stay tuned and we'll show you everything that we did to make the electric Land Cruiser running and driving. Thanks for watching.